Someone just posted a great review about us, and we wanted to share their fantastic feedback with you. We love telling everyone about it because our goal is to provide every individual with a 5-star experience. Attention to detail and great satisfaction are among our top priorities. And as you can see, this stellar review is proof that we succeed in providing top-rate services and complete care to each and every individual. So let us put our thousands of hours of dedication, experience, and 5-star service to work for you today. We'd love the opportunity to earn a great review from you too. We're thrilled you had the chance to take a look at us. Thanks, and we'll see you soon.